Hello everyone, welcome to Ramaile Padai. Today we are going to solve a question from Unit 11 construction that was asked at SC 2080 at Bagmati province, and the question says that construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB is 6 cm, AB is one side, BC is 4 cm, it is another side, and angle DAB, that is one corner of parallelogram, is 60 degree. Okay. Also construct a triangle, so triangle having one side 7 cm and equal in area to the parallelogram. Okay, as you might have already studied, you have already studied in concept video of triangles and quadrilaterals. The theorem 2 states that area of triangle is half the area of parallelogram. Okay, and in order to make equal area, the base of triangle must be double the base of parallelogram. Okay, so this is about the concept that we will be using here. If you have forgot that, I will link the video in the iCard explaining the theorem. Okay, now in construction, what I have told you is that all the figure must be between two parallel lines in order to make them equal in area. So here we will construct the parallelogram and triangle both between the same parallel lines to make their area equal. Okay, now let's start the solution. Let's write what is given to us. Given in parallelogram A, B, C, D, AB is equals to 6 cm, BC is equals to 4 cm, and angle DAB is equals to 60 degree, and in triangle length of is given to us. Okay, length of one side is equals to 7 cm. Okay, now constructing rough sketch. So we have parallelogram ABCD. So we will first construct the base of parallelogram ABCD. It will be this. Okay, so this is A, this is B, and we are given that length of AB is 6 cm. Fine. Now we are given DAB. So this will be C and this will be D of parallelogram. Fine. We are given angle DAB. So this angle is given, and BC, this length is given, but DA is not given. So first construct angle DAB. So this will be 60 degree. So this will be the line DA, but we do not know how much is the length of DA. But what we know is that length of opposite side of parallelogram is equal. That means the length of BC is equal to the length of AD. So the length of AD will also be 4 cm. So we will mark from A to D, that is 4 cm. So 4 cm, and this will be AD. Now we measure AB from compass, and from D we mark here, and we measure AD, and from B we mark here, and joining this two line we will get the parallelogram ABCD. It does not look like parallelogram here, but it actually is parallelogram. It will be parallelogram when we draw it. Now the second part of the question is construct a triangle one side 7 equal in area. So we need to construct a triangle. So we will extend AB and we will extend DC. Okay, and then to make equal area, what we already know is that the base of triangles will be double the base of parallelogram. So we need to double this the base AB. So we will measure AB with compass and mark the point here from B, so that this point, this will be E. Okay, so this point BE will also be 6 centimeter and AE will be 12 centimeter. Fine. Now from E we will measure 7 centimeter, that is one side of triangle, with compass and mark here. This will be F. Okay, so we join AF and EF here, and we make triangle AF, so such that the parallelogram ABCD have area equal to the area of triangle AEF. Okay, this is our construction. Now constructing the required constructions, we will be constructing in this area. Okay, so the area where I construct will be this square or rectangle, and I will construct it here. So what we know is that the base of parallelogram AB is 6 centimeter. So we will measure 6 centimeter with the scale. So 6 centimeter. Fine. This will be A B. Okay, now what we have done is that we made 60 degree here, DAB. So let's make 60 degree. Okay, so this is 60 degree. Fine. Now we extend A to this point. As we already know, BC that is given, but AD is not given, but we know that the opposite side of parallelogram is equal. So BC is equals to AD. So the length of AD will also be 4 centimeter. So we will measure 4 centimeter with compass, and then okay, this is 4 centimeter. Fine, this will be D. Okay, so this is D. Now this AD will be equals to BC. So we mark it here, and AB is equals to DC. So DC. Let me just make BC clear as well. Okay, so this is C, and joining DC and CB we get parallelogram ABCD, and their length is AB is 6 centimeter. This angle is 60 degree and AD is 4 centimeter. Fine. Now we need to construct a triangle AEF. So first we will extend this AB and DC. And we will make the base of triangle, that is double the base of the parallelogram. So from we measure AB with compass and mark E from B. Okay, so this will be E and this will be 6 centimeter. B will be 6 centimeters. So AE will be 12 centimeter. meter. Okay, so this is AE. Now we are given that one side of a triangle is 7 centimeter. So we will measure 7 centimeter with the compass. So this is 7 centimeter, and from E we will mark on the line DC. Okay, so we mark it here. Now joining these lines, so we join E to F, this point will be F, and A to F as well. So this is F, and we know EF is equals to 7 centimeter, I think. Yeah, yes, it is 7 centimeter. So this is the required parallelogram and triangle. This is our required figure. So right, so this is the required construction where the area of triangle is equal to the area of parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay, so this is about the solution of this question. But before ending this video, let me just visualize you the parallelograms and triangle. Okay, so this is AB, this is 6 centimeter, and then we construct DAB, which is 60 degree, and we construct AD. The length of BC is equals to AD because they are opposite side of parallelogram. Now we measure AD and mark C from B. Okay, and we measure AB and mark C from D. So we measure this, we join these two, and this is parallelogram ABCD. Okay, now let me visualize you the triangle. So here the base of triangles will be double the base of parallelogram. So AE is double the length of AB. Okay, and from E, measuring 7 centimeter with compass, we mark F at line DC. Okay, and we join AF and EF. So this blue one is triangle that is equal in area with the area of parallelogram ABCD. So this is about the complete video. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.